Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve Bluetooth problem on poco phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Firstly, here you can see here's the setting option. So friends, here you have to move on the setting. When you have moved on to setting, from here you have to scroll on the down, and here you can see the option of connection and sharing. If you want to solve the Bluetooth option, please try to follow these steps. Okay, you just need to click on the connection and sharing. When you tap on the connection and sharing, inside the connection and sharing you can see the screen, and from here again you have to scroll on the down, and here you can see the reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth. So friends, here you have to tap on the reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth. When you move on it, here if you want to solve the Bluetooth problem, if there is you can solve the Wi-Fi problem, mobile data problem, Bluetooth problem, network problem, you can solve from here. Okay, to solve, what you need to do is that you just need to tap here reset setting. Just click on the reset setting and click on OK. Here that you are facing the problem of Bluetooth will be solved successfully. Okay, you just need to tap on OK. Okay, so if you have any problems about to ask about this, then you can ask through the comments. Okay, you can ask me if you have any problem to if you have any problem to solve this problem, like a Bluetooth problem or the hotspot problem, Wi-Fi problem, you can solve through these steps. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.